fixed.
What's up, guys? Pat here, another episode of Pazzy TV, and I have something a little special for you guys. Something we don't usually do on every single car, but for Mark's special snow bunny outside, it's getting some love with some EGT sensors.
All right, guys, so today we have here EGT sensors, okay? So what that is, exhaust gas temperature. Measures the gas temperature that flows through my headers. So we're gonna weld these bad girls in here. We already got little points right here. We already measured it while I was in the car, where it's going. Well, Colin is, because I don't have the skill to do this, to be honest with you. If I do it, it ain't going nowhere.
Colin has all the details and the skills to fabricate something like this, so he's gonna take care of this for you guys while I document it. So, catch you with some B-roll.
You like that? Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. You kind of like get it and then you just like leave it.
Oh yeah. JB weld.
Now this gets welded on, see? And then this only just goes in just enough.
Oh.
And it's on a 90 so you can like grab it.
Got it.
If it was sticking straight out, it would hit you.
Is there like a min or max distance from this cylinder?
No, I want to make them close. You know, I don't want one here and one here.
Yeah.
Just because the heat could be different. This run is slightly different, but I did this for aesthetics, so they look the same.
So the cylinder 4 cooling mod, is that a cooling for coolant? For like
Yeah.
temperature?
It's to get more coolant in that cylinder 4
Oh,
area.
it's not a fuel thing.
No.
Got it.
But Colin compensates for that problem by adding more fuel.
Yeah, but
But
now
now, see,
You can regulate.
I really
Yeah.
can't measure it without this.
You just assume this is the best case scenario.
Yeah. There's also a reason people do this over O2 sensors, right? So on an NA car, you can run 5 fucking O2 sensor, an O2 sensor in every runner, and that'll be fine. But with a turbo car, the pressure in the header fucks the reading of the sensor up. So it's unreliable. So you have to use these. Now you can do a bunch of math. There's a compensation for the sensor based on math and pressure. So you would need to put a pressure sensor in here, and then like the ECU will compensate the AFR based on the pressure sensor. This is the cheaper alternative. The cheaper alternative is still $1,000.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? 4 O2 sensors would be $2,000 just in sensor.
No, I don't see the reason for that.
You know, it's just not working. Anyway, this is how it goes. Now I'm pinning the plug for each sensor. You can see the variance.
Yeah,
You see this one's way hotter than the other ones. 600 to 900.